everybody, my name is Aiyana and I'm a recreation leader for the city of El Segundo. Today we're going to be doing another awesome science experiment. We're going to be making a tornado in a bottle. So first, the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need a water bottle. I've already filled it up, but I'll let you guys know how much you need to fill it up later. I have some food coloring, which is optional. I've got some glitter and I've got some dish soap. So these are all the supplies that we're going to need in order to make a tornado in a bottle. So first, if you haven't filled up your water already, you're going to fill it up with about 75% of water. So maybe take your pinky and make sure that you have just enough space so that you still have some air left in the bottle. After you have your water and you've put it in your bottle, I'm going to add some glitter into my water. Next, we're going to add a really small amount of dish soap, maybe 2 to 3 drops into our water. If you don't have any food coloring or you don't want to use any food coloring, that is okay, but I'm going to add some food coloring into my bottle. You can add about 2 or 3 drops. Once you have everything in your bottle, you're going to take your lid and you're going to screw it on really, really tightly and make sure nothing can spill out. Okay, that looks pretty tight. So now what we're going to do is just gently swirl and make sure that everything mixes. You can shake it back and forth really gently. We just want to make sure that everything's mixed. That looks pretty mixed to me. Now what we're going to do is make sure that this lid is on really, really tightly because we're going to flip our water bottle upside down. As you can see, once I've flipped my bottle upside down, I'm going to spin it around in a circle really fast. And hopefully you guys can see that vortex in there. Hopefully when I spin this around, you guys can see that there's a tornado in there. So that was it for today's experiment. I hope you guys had a lot of fun and I'll see you next time.